We're at the Fort Edward train station right now. Signals are on. We got an Amtrak coming. The Amtrak is at a crossing down there. It's not too far from here, so it's very close. Alright, here it is. Zach, move out the way. I want to get a better view. Should be coming around that corner. I hear it. I hear the rumbles. On my knees, bro. Oh yeah, here it is. Zach, I don't think that's
gonna happen.
It might. Oh, that's a flag.
I'm praying, bro. Please make it go into the sighting. I want to catch the train so bad, right, Hunter?
Yeah. Yeah, that's Zach's favorite car right there, the food service car.
Oh yeah, my favorite. And Hunter's favorite too.
Wait, what? It says Northwest Regional on it for some reason.
Is it? Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah. Bad. Well, I don't feel so bad, but I feel happy.
Yo, people are still getting on, I think. When those lights turn green right there on the side.
Yeah, you can tell when they're
On the green part of the passenger car, you see those lights?
right there. You see that? Where it says cafe sign?
Oh yeah, right there. It's right there too. That light
Yeah,
is
you can
orange
feel it.
right now,
Yeah.
but it'll
on
turn
what?
green. It'll turn green. It'll turn green once they're ready to depart.
Yeah.
I feel like Amtrak never blows the horn for people that asks.
Yeah. I mean, a couple days ago they did for me.
Oh, nice. Yeah, Zachary's wearing pants.
Yeah. I'm just wearing a backpack. Oh, they're about to
Alright.
take off. About to take off. Everybody.
Keep an eye on those lights.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can hear the Amtrak warming up. We're about to start moving.
Soon. They're probably radio dispatching right now, and then they're probably getting ready to. They're about to. I feel like when they switch it from neutral into like forwards, that's when the lights change. Oh, yep, here they go.
Yeah,
Oh, the light's green. Oh, look at those couples, bro. Woohoo! Yo, they're rolling coal. There they go. Woo! I think they're rolling a lot of coal. I'm not sure. Yo, look at all that coal, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, that is my son.
Yo, they're rolling more.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That is crazy. No, they're not going to the siding. Dang.
Dang it.
That sucks. Where'd they go, though? Oh, I see another headlight. No, I'm just kidding.
I was gonna say, do you really?
Rolling Marco.
No. I don't see it turn that corner over there. People yapping behind us.
No, I'm going to stand on the platform.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
Oh yeah, around the corner.
There it goes. It's going around the corner.
Alright, there we go. Now I'm gonna go on the platform.
Alright. Alright. Hope you guys like this one. Please like and subscribe.